This project was initiated due to the effects of climate change in Tana River. One biggest effect being land degradation. Land degradation has been a big menace in Tana River due to unsustainable farming practices and unsustainable wood fuel harvesting practices, whereby there is an overdependence on the forest trees and trees products for cooking. And the effects of Mathenge, the Prosopis Juliflora, in Tana River have also led to many land conflicts, because you'll see that these species have encroached the land farms where the communities used to initially produce their products.
Area hii imeathiri sana kwa ajili sisi tu wakulima, na hii landi yetu imeshikwa na hiyo Mathenge. Sasa hata mahali ya kulima eka moja utafute riziki hakuna, kwa sababu Mathenge imechukua. Mpaka uwe na source of income ndio unaweza kusafisha hiyo land kwa haraka, angalau upate hiyo eka moja.
Inatu affect upande wa kupata chakula, kwa sababu ukikaa mahali mimea mingine haizi fanya, na pia huyo miba yake ikikudunga pia inakudhuru.
We got some drones to do the mapping of this vegetation cover, and this vegetation cover in terms of the coverage of Mathenge species. We are supporting these communities by clearing these Prosopis Juliflora species. We are giving them seeds, crop seeds like sim, beans. After they have planted these particular crops and fodder, they will get produce, meaning that that farm will be back to its initial state whereby they used to get good produce from those particular farms.